Very good morning, my dear student. So today I am going to discuss about a data frame with an indexing, okay, and printing a specified column. That means data frame with an indexing to print a specified column. Data frame, what we see it that in this particular area we are creating a data frame like series I have shown you. So now little bit data frame will be clearer to you. What we have done here is that in D1 first I have called a Python. Okay, I have import Python pandas, and as I have import the Python panda as PD. So where the Python panda is? Python panda is under the Python itself. Okay, so under from the Python I called a pandas in a what name? Pandas in the name of PD. Okay, PD is a given format, and based on this particular format what we find that we will going to have this particular structure. Okay, so as we are having this particular structure, we find it that when we are making this structure, in this structure what we have done, I have created one data frame. You see here that d1 what I have given, that a, first I have said a, first column name has been given a, and there I have given some number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so as I have given the first column name as a, and that has been given 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have taken a second column as b, and that particular column I'll going to find it that it will be done in this particular way of taking the values. Okay, so here what the value I have taken from here, 2 3 4 5 6 7, isn't it? And next is I have given C, and C what I have given, 2 3 5 6 7 8 9. So those are the different values I have given in the data frame. So as I have opened the data frame with a calling braces, I have closed it with the calling braces. Okay, now each of the data frame how we have declared, see as I have given the column name should be within an inverted comma. Now why? Question rises, that's why I'll give it in inverted comma. So as you know, the name is what? Combinations of characters. Okay, so since it is a combination of character, those the combination of character what is there, that will come within a single inverted comma. Okay, so it will come within a single inverted comma, and as it come within a single inverted comma, we can find it that this the particular thing is been implemented at, and it is been worked in this particular frame. Okay, so in this particular frame what we have done, then I have given what? Colon. Okay, as I have given colon, after giving the colon, then what I have given? I have given some values here, values like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Those the values has been given here. So as I have given those values, you can find it that there are 6 value I have given. Okay, so I have opened the third bracket and I have closed the third bracket, then I have given one comma there. So after this, then what I have declared here, I have taken another column name is b. Clear? So as I have taken the column name is B, in this particular B, what I have given here, see here, there I have given some values, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how I have given it? First I have given the column name within a single inverted comma, and after giving the column name, after I give the column name, that this particular column name what has been given, I have given one colon there. Okay, so as I have given the colon there, this particular colon will going to represent or will going to define the starting of the column. Now 2 3 4 5 6 7, these are the values that has been given in this particular area. Okay, after that what we find, that we will going to give the value of C. Okay, so as I have given the value of C, you can find here in this C what has been given here. You can see here that there I have given here 2 3 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so those the values has been given here, and after giving the value, then what I have done, I have closed the bracket. Okay, I have closed the bracket. So As I have closed the bracket, then I have closed the curling bracket. Okay, then what I have given one label. Okay, so this is the label what I have given. Label equals to the bracket open. Now after opening the bracket, what we find it here, that here I am giving a value like A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so those the A, B, C, D, E, N, those the things what has been given there. You can find here that each of this particular one is a pattern of a character. So since it is a pattern of a character, therefore I have given them within a single inverted comma. Okay, they has been given within a single inverted comma, and as the thing has been given within a single inverted comma, we see it that particular structure is within a third bracket. Clear? After that, what I have done here is I have called df. Okay, df means data frame. So df equals to pd dot data frame. What pd dot data frame? That d1 comma index equals to label. Okay, so d1 comma index equals to label. That means what I am doing here, I am actually bringing the data frame and I am making the data frame to be workable in this particular area. Okay, so as I am making this particular thing is workable in this particular area, this is the structure what I am describing and what I am building. In this particular structure, what we have find it that the label has been utilized. Okay, so I have called this label for what purpose? For the purpose of creating the index. Index means when you write something, what you write? Suppose you are writing the name of the grocery items. So what you give number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. This way you are giving it. So when you are giving all this thing in this particular manner, what we find it there that those the things is what you are doing. You are indexing them. Okay, you are making an index of that particular data what you are recording. So as you are making the index of the particular data what you are recording, here you can see it that those the data what is there, those the part of the data what is there, that will going to be work in this part manner. Okay, work in this particular manner. So how many data we will going to give in the label portion? The question comes here. First you have to see what is the maximum of the values that has been inserted in each of the column. So in each of the column what we find it that we have inserted the maximum value there. How many? 6 values in each of the column. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing what we find that in each of the column we have given 6 value. So that is what, that is why here in the label also I have given the 6 values for indexing like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, after I have given this particular thing, that means I have called an what pd dot data frame. D is capital and F is capital. Data frame bracket open, then d1 comma index equals to label. Okay, d1 comma index equals to label. As we have done this, then what I have done here that I have print the df. Df means the total data frame. What is the total df? Df under df we have d1. This particular d1 means a, b, c, all this column, and with a d1 we do have an one thing that is called an indexing and the labeling. Okay, indexing or labeling, that particular thing has been called here. Okay, as I have sorry as I have called here this particular thing, what we find it that another thing I have done here. What is that thing? I have given here df a comma c. That means a and c, those two column values what is there, that to be only shown. Okay, so A and C what we have given that within a third bracket and within a single inverted comma. Okay, so within a third bracket and within a single inverted comma, then what I have done here, df dot log. Okay, df dot log, that particular log what it will going to do, colon comma c. Colon comma c means starting there is nothing, that you will only print the value of c here. Okay, so this is what the data structure is. This is how the data structure is working in this particular area. Okay, so what are the main thing we have done here? First and foremost, I have created one dictionary pattern of value. So dictionary pattern of value means here I have bring A, B, C. I can give here D, E, F or whatever the column name I require, or I can give the column name as a name, then the subject like computer, science, maths, all these things also I can give here. So that is totally depend on us that how we will going to give the particular thing. After that, what we find that I have done the labeling here. For the labeling, I have specified some value. After I specified some value, then as per the format of DF, I have called those values and I have equalized the fact the index equals to label should be. Then I have printed all these things. So let us see how the output will be in this particular. So now you see that what we do have here. First and foremost, you see here that ABC. Okay, in ABC what we have, ABC column, A, B, C, D, E, F. So all these things are there. So as we have all this indexing, so each of the first you see that there are each of the column values that are been printed according to the column values that has been given. Okay, so this is the column value what has been printed. This is the Cth column, isn't it? This is the B column. So this way, this is the 8th column. Okay, so we find it all this column value what it is printed there. Now this is the indexing has been done. Okay, so this is the part what we can find that how we can do the indexing and how we can work with this particular indexing. Next you see what has been done here. Next I have called only A and C to work. Okay, only A and C to give the output. So only A and C is there, and based on A and C what we find it, the particular output has been given. Okay, this particular output has been given. Next what I have done, I have taken only C, column number C. So as it taken column number C, the column number C values are there, along with it the indexing are there. Okay, so this is how we can find it, the work is conducted. So dear students, see here another program of a data frame. So here there you have seen that some number is given with A, B, C, D, E. Now here I have done a data frame with a dictionary. Okay, dictionary with a data frame, and in this particular data frame you can see here that the values I have used, how the values I have used. First I have import pandas as PD. Then I have given a name of the data frame like student, or name of the dictionary as a student. So as I have given the name of the dictionary as a student, then what I have given the first column name as a name. Okay, then column, then I have given some name here. So as I have given the name here, then I have given a comma, then I have taken another one age. So some age has been given in this particular area. Okay, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19, different. Then percentage. Okay, different pattern of percentage value with a floating point of number. Okay, so with a floating point of number the thing has been given. Now you see here one thing very nicely in this particular program. What I have done, totally I have changed the structure. Previously you have seen there the 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D I have taken, and based on this A B C D what I have done, I am seeing it that how the particular work is been conducted. Okay, how the thing is been conducted. So as we find it that those the particular structure what is there, those the particular part what is there, in this particular part what we are doing here now, we are finding it that this in this particular section or in this particular part there is a different way of what, different way of we are describing the data structure. Okay, so we have created the data structure, we have done the data frame, and on this particular data frame what we are doing, we are making them in a scenario or in a particular part, based on which that we can work on it. So what is the working pattern that we can find? We can find the working pattern of it is that previously you see ABC. Now what I have done here, instead of ABC I have given here three name of the three columns. Okay, first one I have given it as a name. Okay, first one I have given it as a name, second one I have given it as a age, and third one I have given it as a percentage. Clear? So three name I have given to the three column, and in this three, each of the column value what I have given here, each of the column value I have given a particular what the different pattern of names that are there. Okay, different type of names that I have given here. So this is the name what we can find. That name, in the name column I have given how many? 1 2 3 4 5 names I have given here. Okay, so as I have given here the 5 name, based on this particular 5 name, what I have done here now, age. Okay, so age I have given here. So based on this particular age, what we find it, that what is the value of age has been given. See, different age has been given, like 18, 19, 17, 18, all these things. Okay, and percentage, what the percentage has been given there. So the percentage you find it 78.0, 90.2. So based on the different structure I have given a different percentage. Okay, so those the different percentage what I have given here, those the different structure that I have given here. So in this particular percentage, in this particular structure, what is originally I want to do here, that I want to construct the dictionary in such a way, in such a form, that in this particular dictionary what we are doing, we are making the different types and we are going to the different patterns. Okay, then what I have done, df1, I have called here df1 as the particular name, equals to pd dot data frame. Then what the data frame is? Student. Okay, so there you find s1 or a1 or all these things I am used. So I am showing you that you can do the necessary changes, whatever the changes you can do it. Okay, so those the changes what you can find, that you can do it. So I have done here a student, after it made it a student, that I have printed it. Okay, print df1, that particular df1 has been printed. Now let us see what is the output of this particular work is. Now you see what is the output it is coming. See, I have given the one column name is name, another is age, another is mark. So name means the names are there. Age, what we find that I have given the different ages are there, and the marks what is there, that is there. So based on this what we can find it, that we have the different pattern of values that we are working with, and we can find that thing will be work in this particular structures. Okay, so what we find is here, you see here that as I have given the things name and their percentage and age. Now you see here they has arranged it according to their own way. Okay, according to their own way. That means A comes first, so it has taken the A as a first column and it has given it. N then come at afterwards, then based on the N it has given it. P then come in a next, then based on the P it has given it, and indexing, you know, as per the scenario the indexing is there. So this is how we can find it, the particular thing will going to work. Okay, so your indexing feature will be done here. Now those the changes are there, what we find it, that each of the changes what we are doing, each of the changes that we are implementing, we are going to do the changes in this particular scenario, and we find it that in each of this particular scenario we are making the output in this particular way. Okay, so this is how we can do the work, and we can find out that how the thing is workable. Clear? So what we need to find it here, that in this particular here the arrangement, you see the especially the arrangement what we haven't done by ourselves. Okay, arrangement has been done by itself only. Okay, then thank you. I am ending my today's session here. Thank you all.